Welcome to a journey that promises to transform your life in the most fulfilling way possible. Have you ever dreamed of a life more connected to nature? A life where the hustle and bustle of the city fade away, replaced by the serene sounds of birds chirping and leaves rustling in the wind? Or imagined waking up each morning to the sight of your own garden, lush and green, ready to provide you with fresh, organic produce? Have you dreamed of a life where you grow your own food and create a cozy, sustainable home with your own two hands? That's the beauty of homesteading, and it's a journey I'm so excited to share with you. It's not just about self-sufficiency, it's about creating a lifestyle that brings you closer to the earth and to your loved ones. Join me as we explore the ins and outs of building a resilient homestead, from choosing the perfect eco-friendly shelter that suits your needs and respects the environment, to designing a space that feels like a true sanctuary. We'll delve into the art of cultivating a thriving garden, one that not only feeds your body, but also nourishes your soul. You'll learn about the best practices for soil health, companion planting, and organic pest control. And let's not forget about our feathered friends. Chickens can be a delightful addition to your homestead, providing fresh eggs and endless entertainment. Whether you're just starting out or looking for fresh inspiration, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So let's roll up our sleeves, dig in, and discover the joys of a self-sufficient life. Together, we'll build a homestead that not only sustains us, but also brings us immense joy and satisfaction. Welcome to your homestead adventure. When it comes to building your homestead haven, there are so many options to choose from. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upgrade your current living situation, sustainable shelters offer a variety of benefits. They not only reduce your carbon footprint, but most importantly, create a healthier living environment. From energy efficiency to the use of natural materials, these options are designed to harmonize with the environment. One popular choice is a cozy cabin built with reclaimed wood or other natural materials. These cabins not only have a rustic charm, but also make use of resources that would otherwise go to waste. Reclaimed wood, for instance, adds character and history to your home, while reducing the demand for new lumber. Natural materials like stone and clay can also be incorporated to enhance the cabin's sustainability and aesthetic appeal. Cob houses, crafted from a mixture of clay, sand, and straw, offer another sustainable and unique approach. These homes are not only energy efficient, but also have excellent thermal mass, keeping them cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The natural materials used in cob construction are readily available and often sourced locally, making this an eco-friendly option that also supports local economies. Plus, the organic shapes and textures of cob houses can blend seamlessly into natural landscapes. If you're looking for a more modern feel, consider a tiny home designed with energy efficiency in mind. Tiny homes are not just a trend, they represent a shift towards minimalism and sustainable living. These compact dwellings often come equipped with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient appliances. Their small footprint means they require fewer resources to build and maintain, making them an excellent choice for those committed to reducing their environmental impact. No matter your style or budget, there's a shelter option out there that's perfect for your homestead dreams. From rustic cabins and cob houses to modern tiny homes or a large farmhouse, the possibilities are endless. Each option offers unique benefits, whether it's the charm of reclaimed wood, the energy efficiency of cob construction, or the modern conveniences of a tiny home. By choosing a sustainable shelter, you're not only creating a beautiful and functional living space, but also contributing to a healthier planet. So take the time to explore these options and find the one that best fits your vision for a sustainable future. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown produce. Starting a garden is one of the most rewarding aspects of homesteading. Begin by selecting a sunny spot with good drainage. Next, decide what you love to eat and choose varieties that thrive in your climate. Tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, and herbs are all great options for beginners. Remember to start small and gradually expand your garden as you gain experience. In a world that often feels unpredictable, there's a certain peace of mind that comes with knowing how to provide for yourself and your loved ones. The modern world, with all its conveniences, often leaves us feeling disconnected from the very essence of life. The hustle and bustle, the constant noise, and the never-ending demands can make us yearn for a simpler, more meaningful existence. Once your garden is planted, it's time to embrace sustainable practices that nourish both your plants and the environment. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Using mulch around your plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds naturally. And by attracting beneficial insects to your garden, you can help control pests without the use of harmful chemicals. That's the power of self-sufficiency. And it's a journey that can bring immense joy, resilience, and a deep sense of connection to the natural world. It's about building a life that is rich in experiences, relationships, and purpose. It's about finding freedom and security in uncertain times and creating a legacy of sustainability and self-reliance for future generations. Whether you're just starting out or have been on this path for years, the rewards of homesteading are endless. So take that first step, embrace the journey, and discover the profound beauty of living a life in tune with nature. Raising chickens or other small livestock can be a wonderful addition to your homestead. Fresh eggs are a true delight, and chickens are surprisingly low-maintenance pets. Start with a small flock and provide them with a secure coop and access to a grassy area for foraging. Goats are also great for homesteads, providing fresh milk and helping to control weeds. Picture the satisfaction of gathering fresh eggs each morning and enjoying meals made from ingredients you nurtured from the ground up. The taste of homegrown food is unparalleled. It's fresher, more nutritious, and free from harmful chemicals. Every bite is a testament to your hard work and dedication, and it brings a sense of pride and accomplishment that is hard to find in other aspects of modern life. Homesteading is even more rewarding when it's shared with others. Connect with fellow homesteaders in your area, attend workshops, and share your knowledge and experiences. By supporting each other, we can create a more resilient and self-sufficient community. Remember, we're all in this together. Homesteading is more than just a way of life. It's a mindset. It's about embracing simplicity, resourcefulness, and a deep connection to the natural world. It's about finding joy in the simple things and taking pride in providing for yourself and your loved ones. And it's a journey that's constantly evolving and teaching you new things along the way. Your homestead journey begins today. It's all about taking control of your life, growing your own food, creating a sustainable home, and embracing a simpler, more connected way of living. It's about rediscovering the joy of working with your hands, the satisfaction of seeing the fruits of your labor, and the fulfillment that comes from living in harmony with nature. It's a lifestyle that encourages mindfulness, patience, and a deep appreciation for the natural world. So, are you ready to embark on your own homestead adventure? Start small, dream big, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. With each seed you plant, each jar you preserve, and each skill you learn, you'll be one step closer to creating a more resilient and fulfilling life for yourself and your family. Happy homesteading!